Hey guys! Today we are going to be doing Minefield and a Slime Challenge put together. So today we have our guest, Melanie. Oh, that phone. So, how you play this game is there's going to be two somewhat of boxes. We're going to use containers because that's all we have. And I'm going to be hiding one of the things under here. And she has to pick the right one to get what she wants. So, we automatically get glue and activator because, you can't really make glue without glue and activator. Well, you could, but it's going to be hard. So, you said slow. Okay, let's get started. So, I'm just going to, what am I going to color? You're going to go, in the kitchen at the table. Okay. So, I'm going to tell them which ones I'm going to do first. Which is going to be this first one, which I don't even know. We're going to do beads. So we have some beads. There's 2 chances you could get beads. This is 1. This is 2. It's in number 1. Let me go get her. Be right back. Okay, so are you going to pick container number 1 or container number 2? 1. 1? So pick it up. Oh, you get beads. So now you're going to hide it for me. Beads, okay. Okay, I'm going to hide it. Number 1, hide it number 2. Hold on, wait, we're gonna make this. Oh, I got it. I'm gonna go tell her. Come on. So, do you have the same one? Huh? Do you have the same one? Yeah, beads. Hey, beads. So, I feel like she's in too because it's moved over more. Haha, I knew it. I didn't really want beads, but okay. I don't care. We both have beads. Okay. You get to choose one this time. I feel like I'm going to choose a bad one just in case, one I don't want, just in case I don't get it. I don't want color because I only have green and yellow. So. Yeah, green and yellow. What is there? I'm going to choose glitter, I guess. Glitter? Yeah. Okay, I'm set. So glitter actually stands for this glitter glue. It's a glitter glue that you do not want because it's bad. Go. So since I hid it in number 1, I'm not gonna hide it there. Or I'm gonna hide it in this one again. Number 1 again. glitter glue we're going to be using.
I thought it was actually glitter. I don't really care if I get this or not.
I don't want this. It's bad for your slime. So, which one? One or two?
One.
Pick it up.
Oh. I thought it was actually glitter.
Okay. Don't take so much time as you did last time.
Go tell her it's ready.
I was getting everything else, so even getting later around. I'm not even gonna think. I'm just gonna go.
I knew you were gonna pick it, and I'm trying to be nice. I knew you were gonna pick that. So,
Honestly, I was just picking one. I actually was gonna pick two earlier, but I'm glad I did not.
so I can't pick anymore.
Huh?
Do I pick or not?
No, it's my turn to pick.
Okay.
So let's see. Okay, so you don't know which one it is yet. So go. I'm gonna show them. Natalia. For this round, we are going to be doing color. So, did you get this?
Yeah.
Okay. I can't think if you did. Okay, so she got color. Did you want color?
Yeah, kind of. Kind of.
Okay, so she got the color. Now she gets to hide it from me.
I wish there were more. That'd be more challenging. So I'm going to hide it in. I'm going to hide the color in the first one. All right, it's done. Chloe! Oh, you got everything now? What else is there even?
Okay, so
Did I get everything?
So we have
Oh, no, I
the
didn't.
glue and Staflo. You got everything.
I didn't get these though, did I?
No, you did.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I got everything.
Okay, I have a feeling it's in number 2, so I'm gonna go for number 1.
Just kidding. It was in.
I did not want color, so I did not get it.
Do we stop now because I got all of them?
No.
Or do I just hide them for you?
Yeah, we'll keep going.
But I already got it. So even if I don't get it, does that still count that I got it now?
We still have 2 more rounds.
Yeah.
Wait, where's the...
I didn't get phone bees though, did I?
No, we haven't done that round yet.
I told you.
Bees and
Do I get to pick
Wait,
them?
where's the glue? The glitter glue.
It's right there.
No, I'm talking about the paper glitter glue. Oh, well, we don't need it. Okay, so you get to pick, and I'll let you hide it first this time, so I do not know which one to do.
Okay. So I got pink or blue beads, and I'm gonna hide it under number 2. 1 or 2. Yeah, 2. Chloe! Hello.
Okay, I have a feeling you picked.
I don't even remember what I picked.
I have a feeling you picked the pink or blue beads, which I actually do want. So, oh, my knee.
What did you do?
Oh no, it just started hurting.
What did you do?
Feel the vibes. Feel the vibes. No, what'd you pick?
Pink or blue beads?
I don't really want those. I don't have anything in my slime except for beads. Oh wait, I can put pink or beads.
So, you're doing foam beads next, right? Or you had it for me? Oh, yeah, fine.
Dang, I really wanted that, but since I have beads anyway, I can add whatever color I want. I'm not gonna put it in there. Okay, so we're gonna make our slime in a different video. Miguelia! Hey, I found the glitter paper. Oh,
Yes. I was sat there because I was getting chapstick and my lips are burning. I don't really care if I get the pink blue beads. I don't know. I'm gonna pick one. Okay. That's not within 2. I knew I should have picked that, but I don't want. Huh?
look at two.
What? What?
It's right here.
That's actually no fair.
Well, you already have beads, so I mean, you can go ahead and put it in there anyways. So beads.
So I didn't get those?
Well, you already have beads, so you really don't need this anymore.
What? Huh?
So the last one is foam beads, and I'm gonna hide it first. So I'm gonna go ahead and hide those. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and hide this one. Okay, so you go in there. You go in there. I'm gonna go ahead and hide this one. Foam beads. It's the last one.
There's not a lot.
We're gonna make the slime in a different video. So, this we're actually gonna put in number 1 because number 1. Michaelia, 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 Michaelia.
Oh my. Stop.
Okay, so this time it actually is in 1. Hint, hint. 1. It is in 1. I told you which one it was in. I told you which one it is, and I said, it actually is in 1.
Oh.
So I told you where it was. Ta-ta.
There's not a lot anyway.
I don't want foam beads, so you get to hide them and don't get them.
So you actually. Number 2. Number 2. Chloe. Chloe. Okay, here you go.
I'm not thinking about this. I'm just gonna pick one.
Okay. Because you don't want them?
No, honestly, I don't care.
It's not even in one.
I still didn't get them.
I actually was going to hide it in this, and I told him to. So, you actually didn't get them. It's up there. I had a book in there,
So guys, that's all for today, because we're going to do our slime in a different video. So, bye. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Stay tuned for our slime. Bye.